guys, so I know I've been saying on Instagram that I was gonna do this video for you guys, so I'm like, forget it, I'm not gonna wait. If the baby wakes up, whatever happens, rain, sleet, hurricane, snow, this video will make it to you guys this week by Sunday, I promise. So I attended an event, and the first event that I went to, because I made it my business to go to 2 events in September. And so the first one I went to, I think, no, that wasn't September, that was the end of August, but I just kind of like counted it as September because it was like August 31st that I went. And it was an event for the Goodwill, that is not as close to my house, but it's one closer to where my way. Honey, gas, well, honey, babe, boo, my husband, Norm. He'd be like a many different names, just depending on what mood I'm in. So I'm in kind of a, I guess, good mood, so I guess he'll be bae today. Hey, jeez. I hope it's people there. Like, sometimes I be real nervous, like, if I go somewhere and I'm gonna be the only like black person, or like am I gonna be the one that's too late or too early? Like, I be just overthinking everything. I don't know why, but it's awesome.
Now it's all good, and well done, but let me go. 'Cause girls like you around, guys like me, sundown that I come through. I need a girl like you, yeah, girl like you, don't know. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. Oh my God. You're on your own, kid.
Okay, so I'm walking in. Make sure I lock the car. What time is it? It's like somebody is definitely playing getting jiggy with it. I always do that every time I come to this store. Okay, so hello. Is this where it's gonna be at right here? Yes. Oh, okay. Are you the?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Megan.
Okay, I'm Ariel. How you
Nice
doing?
to meet you. Okay, so nice to meet you.
I'm a blogger, so that's why I got this out. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's the name of your blog?
Ariel Taylor. I'm on YouTube, and then on Instagram it's the Chic Mommy.
So cool. I can't wait to check it out.
Oh, thank you. I was so nervous. I was like, am I late? Am I too early?
Oh, no. It starts at 6.
Okay.
So we got plenty of time.
Kitty mannequin with the like 6-pack and shit. Okay. So. A lot. Another desk. I'm looking for something like this with a pull-out part to put makeup in. They're asking $30 for this. Yeah, no. They're so ready for Thanksgiving. So cute. So basic, but cute. I need some of these for my workout. My husband was just talking about these too, which is so funny. The little ankle weights. Oh, that's cute for like a bathroom. Like, that's really cute. like, you guys, I'm gonna just say this the whole time. I might as well just shut up and just show y'all the stuff. These are interesting. These are 50 cents and they're candles, I think. Yeah, they're a candle. But I don't know about the choice of putting them in plastic, if that was a good business move. Probably why they're here. Because I would use those to like melt down myself. I would not melt that in that plastic. That's a really cute bowl. Very chic style. This is adorable. I have enough trinkets as it is, but I would so put this in a cabinet. Oh, I love it. So cute. I remember my grandmother used to cook and stuff like this. Those are cute. Too bad summer is almost over, because I would definitely try to throw a party. It's Euro Crystal. I believe that's what that says. Euro Crystal, made in Italy. Ooh, fancy. Fancy schmancy. But I did not come to shop. I came to DIY. Oh, but I might have to like make an exception. OMG. You guys, it's a jewelry dish. Oh my goodness, it's super cute too. But I didn't come to shop. I didn't come to buy anything. And I'm trying to be really intentional with my budget and what I spend stuff on, money on, because I'm trying to be a millionaire and I can't do that. I'm constantly spending money. This is so fucking cute though. Oh my gosh. And they got the whole set. I just love the fact that it's so shiny. Oh my goodness. You guys, why did I do this to myself? Oh my god, they got some super adorable stuff. These are like my ultimate favorite bowls. If you follow me on Instagram, I have like the eye for like cute stuff like this. Look at that. I know it's unique, right? It's super unique. I would totally wear this with a white t-shirt and some bomb ass white tennis shoes. Gimme, 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 gimme. But I got really good lighting in here too. Okay, good. Okay. See. This is cute. Some really cute stuff in here. I did not come here to shop. I came here to DIY my shoes. And now I'm thinking about breaking. No, because I got stuff to pay for. No, I got some paper. You got some paper. I think like shopping can be like a real life addiction. If I was this small, I would so get this. I'm not there yet. Not yet. That's really cute. So like you said, a marble color. Yeah, so I'm about to go see if she's ready and get started. Hope you guys enjoyed shopping in Goodwill with me or walking around. And I'll see you guys once we get started with the DIY project. But I actually found that through Facebook, just Facebook. I was just kind of like looking up for events in my city in Akron, and I was not, you know, like, and it was cool. I got there and I was like probably like 15 minutes early, and I'm usually late, so I made it my point to try to be there on time, but this time I was like really early. And I ended up actually getting there right when Megan walked in. I believe that's what her name was, Megan. Please forgive me if it's not. But when I walked in, she was kind of like walking in with me. And so I ended up just kind of like walking around, and I'll show you guys what I saw, what I was looking at as I was walking around, because I just kind of bought a little time until the event actually started. But I realized I was the only person attending the event that would be an attendee, because it was the host, and then it was as I wanted to let you guys know, the good news, the exciting news is the director for public and donor relations and her assistant attended the event. And it was just us, so it kind of felt like a meeting, so to speak. We created some shoes, which I'll show you guys, and it was the DIY pom-pom embellishing, and I just wanted to kind of go out and have a little girl time. The only thing that I can say I was really kind of disappointed about was that there weren't a lot of attendees, and I'm like, wow, but it was kind of an awkward day. It was like Thursday. And I'm like, I'm pretty sure people love free, and, crafting is like everything. So why aren't there like 1,000 people here? But it was kind of like an awkward day and an awkward time to have it. So really, if you didn't have that kind of free time, it may have been harder to attend that event. So anyways, like we talked, I ended up like letting them know like that I was a blogger, and the director knew my name and knew my Instagram handle name, because I'm constantly tagging Goodwill in my thrifted finds. And so like it was just awesome to when I said the chic mommy, like her eyes lit up. Hello, Jen, if you're watching. That was just really like a major like self-esteem booster for me. Like it was like, okay, I'm doing something right, because I don't have a SLR camera. I don't have a Canon camera. I don't have an amazing, high-tech camera, but I do have creativity. I have this amazing LG Android that has HD definite whatever focus on it. And so I've learned how to use my camera to benefit me on my phone, and like it's been working for me so far. But it was just really like a really, really big turning point for me just with blogging, period. My confidence was boosted so much, and we just kind of chatted about the event and chatted about crafting, and she and I spoke about me hosting an event for moms and children. So be on the lookout, because I'll be letting you guys know once I finalize everything with that, what's coming up. So that's like major for me, because like I said, I quit calling myself small. I am who I am. I'm not a small YouTuber. I'm just a YouTuber. I'm not a small lifestyle blogger. Like I'm a lifestyle blogger, and I talk about my life, and I enjoy blogging, and this is what I do. And if you do not like that, then exit stage left, because at this point in the game, like there's no turning back, and I need to just embrace what I'm doing and not be so modest about it, and hey, I can't be modest about it because I have to talk about it. Like people won't know I'm out here if I don't open my mouth. So it was really, really nice. I had a good time. I can say though, like it was fun. It was really, really fun. So anyways, we did some DIYing, and I ended up going home, and the event, it turned out really well. So I had fun. It was nice. I'm making connections. I'm doing some networking. And if you know me, like that is something that's really hard for me sometimes, to kind of like do a lot of talking at events and like sharing stuff about myself, because I just feel really timid. Like sometimes I just be like, I'm just not here for it. I don't want to do it. The look with the shoes is on my Instagram. So if you guys want to check out my Instagram, I'll show you guys a post of the shoes here. If you guys want to check out my Instagram and see like how I styled them and everything like that, make sure you guys get over there. And don't worry if you don't have an Instagram, I will be doing a YouTube video on the my new like fall style turning it up a bit as I get a little older. Just kind of like coming more into my own personal style, because my style's always changing and our styles are going to forever change. Me as the time changes, fashion changes, but your style more so evolves. You become a little more refined with how you dress and a little bit more polished with how you dress. So definitely excited about working with them. Oops, there's a drink, but yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. And if you have any questions and you guys just want to let me know how much you love my channel, leave me some comments below, because I know it's been a minute since I posted, but I'm trying to get back to the flow of YouTube. So hello guys, and I missed you all. And don't forget, if you're not following me on Instagram, it's the Chic Mommy. So get there so you don't miss the fun, okay? The Chic Mommy _. Deuces. Love you guys.